Okay? We have somebody on the phone. This is Radio Biafra. You have the honor of being our first caller. You must give us your name and where you are, because this is Radio Biafra.
Hello?
Yes, your name and where you are, please.
My name is Michael.
Michael who?
London.
Michael who? What is your surname?
Michael KK.
From London. Please go ahead. This is Radio Biafra. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just listening to your news or your broadcast. It's very interesting. I just want to find out what exactly are you talking about?
What is your surname?
Okay.
Have you heard of Biafra before?
Yes.
How many years ago did you hear about Biafra?
So many years ago, up to 10 years ago.
What does Biafra mean to you? When you hear the word Biafra, what does it mean to you?
It's what?
When you hear Biafra, what does it mean to you? The word Biafra, what does it mean to you?
That's why I called you, to find out from you, because you're the one saying it, so I'll be able to get a clearer picture of what you're talking about. Anyway, sir, what I'm trying to, I just want to keep you one or two things. I think the best way, where are you? Are you in London? I know you are in London because the way I called you. If really you want us to listen, to you properly, you go to Nigeria and start doing this. You understand what I mean? You are the people causing trouble for Nigeria. What are you talking about? Blah. You understand? I don't understand what you're talking about. Go to Nigeria and start doing this thing so we'll be able to hear you properly. Stop deceiving people. It's not good to deceive people. Are you hearing me?
I'm listening to you. When you finish, then if you have any question to ask me, you ask me, then I'll ask you a question.
Yeah, the question I'm asking you is,
yes.
If you witness Biafra war, I don't think you'll be saying this. What our people go through. So please don't push people to go and fight war. Don't make people to go and start doing things they're not supposed to do. If you know you want to fight about Biafra, go back to Nigeria and start doing it here. Stop doing it in London. You don't come here and hide and start doing it in London.
Okay.
Start doing it here so they'll listen to you properly.
Thank you. Have you finished so I can ask you some questions? Have you finished?
Yeah, finished, huh?
When did you start following Radio Biafra?
Not quite long.
No wonder. Because if you had followed Radio Biafra, you will know that I went to Nigeria and I broadcasted from the zoo, from the heart of darkness, Lagos. We were on 88.2 FM broadcasting live in Lagos. I have been to Biafra land to broadcast. I have broadcasted everywhere I have been to, and we are going back home. In case you don't quite follow, we have purchased our transmitter and we are going home to broadcast from home. I have been there. Let me finish. I need to finish what I'm saying.
Okay.
I didn't interrupt you. You will not interrupt me. We have broadcasted from home. I have preached Biafra on the streets of Lagos. I have preached Biafra at the airport in Lagos. The reason why we are here is because in that useless contraption there is no light. In that useless contraption called the Zoological Republic of Nigeria, they do not have ordinary broadband strong enough to carry our signal. That is why we are here. We are not here out of choice. The same way that you're in London. You're in London because there's no running water in your village. You are in London because there is no light. You are in London because there is no work where you come from. That's why you're here. And do you know those that fought for London? Do you know that Hitler came to this country and destroyed it completely? Do you know that Churchill did not surrender? Do you know they did not give up despite the damage to the people? Something comparable to what you saw in the war. And do you also know, my dear brother, that the name you answer is Okeke? Do you know the meaning of your name?
Yeah, Father.
What is the meaning of your name?
That's not the issue.
No, what is the meaning of your name? No, if you can't answer it means you're a baby. What is the meaning of your name?
Well, you can't. That's not the issue. I want to put two things to you, sir. Only two things.
Where is your village? Which village do you come from? Where is your village? Where is your village? Where is your village?
Just wait. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you my village. I want to say two things. The two things I want to put to you is, one, if at the end of the day that what you are doing, that you are strongly believe on it.
I'm listening to you, my dear brother. Go ahead.
If at the end of the day that what you are doing, that you are strongly believe on it, that at the end of the day, you will not do like Wazurike, maybe they'll give you some political appointment, you will just keep quiet. I will support you.
Now you're talking. That's what you should have said. Now you are talking properly. Now you are beginning to speak. Go ahead.
Yeah, too. My second one again is, Biafra is not our problem. Our problem is our leader. Every Nigerian is corrupt. Every Nigerian want to loot. Nobody want to help in Nigeria. So that is the problem we are facing now. Not sharing the country. Nigerians need to change. We need to change our way. We need to behave like the Western world. Thank God you are here. You see what people are doing here. They will go and suffer for money and retain their own country. But every Nigerian want to loot and come and put the money here. So if you can talk about that, let us change our way, our thinking. It will be okay, sir. Thank you very much.
No, don't go away. Maybe you're on contract, so you can call any line for long. Stay where you are. I will answer your questions before you go away. Do you see this Biafra that we are pursuing? Biafra cannot come unless we are honest people, so accept what you're saying. I said in Germany, and I repeated the same thing yesterday. Before we came, there were no people like us. After we are gone, there will be none like us. Nobody is more committed. Nobody is more into Biafra. Nobody has sacrificed more, I put it that way, in this very cause than those surrounding Radio Biafra. I make it very clear to you that what we do is not that we may become known or popular or get money nonsense. We are doing this because God himself, Chukwu Abiyama, has determined that we should come to do it. We cannot be anybody comparing us to any other person. It insults to me. Those people are not fit to be called Biafrans. I will no longer mention them by name in 2014, but they are not worthy to be called Biafrans. By their fruits you shall know them. I have not failed my people before. I don't intend to fail them in the future, and any day I contemplate, God, Chukwu Abiyama is my witness, any day I dream, I contemplate selling my people out. If God does not destroy me and my family, I will know he's not God. He is no longer God. If God does not destroy me, any single day I dream, I did not say I will do. I said if I dream, if I think about it, if God doesn't destroy me and my household, I will know he is not God.
Anyway, what will happen is that I will not today. Because if at the end of the day, or later they will not call you and give you one position in Nigeria, you just keep quiet. That is what means you betray us. But if you are strong enough to do this, not to push us at the end, you will just go away. If you are strong enough, we are behind you. But make sure what you are saying, what you are doing, or what you are trying to do, that you are a man of faith, man that will carry on. Not be talking, because what we find out now, we are not more equipped. What we find out now is that most Nigerians, if you want to make money, just spring up from nowhere. From the north, you say you are Boko Haram. From the east, you say you are Biafra. From this side, you say you are this. And the government will call you and compensate you. Keep quiet. We know that. So we don't even know what you are doing. What is your own plan? But we pray that your plan should be that you want to bring this into Roma. We'll go with it. But what I'm trying to say is that sharing the country, it will not save us.
It will save us.
We Nigerians are greedy.
No, my dear brother, do you know why you are greedy? Do you know why we are greedy? Do you know why?
I don't know, sir.
You sound like an educated man. You know you live in England, is that correct?
Yes.
Would you like to see the Taliban moving from Kandahar in Afghanistan close to where you are?
No.
Then, do you know that the northern part of the zoo we call Nigeria, that their behavior, their religion, their conduct, their Sharia is the same thing as the Taliban in Afghanistan? Do you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Then why do you want us to be in the same country with them? If you don't want them to be in Surrey, why would you want them to be in the same country with us? Do you see my problem, my dear brother? There is one thing that defines who forms a country with you. It is called value system. The same way you think is the same way I think when it comes to economic problems, to social problems, and to politics. You cannot have people in the same country. One is Sharia, they cut off your hand. The other side, you're claiming you're secular. It has never worked anywhere in the world. There has to be one overarching legal system, one overarching political system, one value system that governs the life of the people within that country. I am an educated man. I went to school. That's what I was taught in school. For goodness sake, no country on this earth can accommodate three divergent value systems. It has never worked anywhere on the planet. Never. Nowhere on this earth has it worked. If you don't want Taliban close to you, close to your house, taking your little child, raping her at the age of 6, then why should I live with them in my country? I don't want them, and I cannot have them. We are pursuing Biafra. I like the doubts that people have against us. We are going to prove them wrong. That's all I have to say. Thank you very much.